49. Question number 49. The loss of a key customer has temporarily caused Bedford Machining to have some extra or excess manufacturing capacity. Bedford is considering the acceptance of a special order, one that involves Bedford's most popular product. Consider the following types of cost. Variable cost of the product, it is relevant. Fixed cost of the product only if it is avoidable, it is going to be relevant. Direct fixed costs associated with the order are relevant. Now please try to understand. Let us first write a question like this for our students. Please, now let us look at it like this. What, one second, huh?
Discuss criteria used in NPV and IRR to evaluate suitable project by identifying one NEP assumption and one IRR assumption.
Okay. What costs are to be considered as relevant? This is the question we have to ask. What costs are considered to be relevant? Now, first of all, obviously, variable cost of the product is relevant in 99% of the cases. Second, with respect to fixed cost, the following are relevant. Number one, avoidable fixed cost is relevant. Next, fixed cost that is directly attributable to the order is relevant. Third, obviously, opportunity cost is relevant. Please try to understand, because in such questions you have to forego contribution sometimes, right? Now, fixed cost of the product per se is not relevant. Fixed cost of the product per se are not relevant. Which of the following combination of cost should be considered in the special order? One should be considered, two should not be considered, three should be considered, and four should be considered. So the answer is 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. 2 should not be considered. Your answer is option number D. Your answer is option number D. So while you have taken the answer as option number D, what we have done is we have written down for you in question number 49, your question number 49 option D, but we have written down for you what are the relevant costs. Now this becomes an interesting proposition. Let's pay attention. Raymond Incorporated currently sells its only products to mall stores. It has one product and it sells it to mall type of stores. Raymond has received a one-time only order of 2000 from another buyer. So there is some other buyer apart from the mall. एक तो mall में बेचते हो. Now this other buyer is apart from the mall. He has come and he has given you an order of how much? He has given you an order of 2000 units. The sale of this special order will not require any additional selling effort. See, this is so clearly pronounced. Sale of the special order will not require any additional selling effort. Means variable selling costs are not relevant anymore. They are not relevant. Please try to understand this. We will write it down. Raymond has a manufacturing capacity to produce 7,000 units. Raymond has an effective income tax rate of 40%. Raymond's income statement before the consideration of this one-time order is as follows. Variable manufacturing costs are relevant. Now please try to understand. If I have to make question number 50, first one, variable manufacturing cost. How much? It is 50,000. Variable manufacturing cost 50,000. It is obviously relevant. Obviously it is relevant. Please try to understand. Next, variable selling cost. Variable selling cost, it is not relevant. It is not relevant. Third, fixed manufacturing cost, it is not relevant. Next, fixed selling cost, again it is not relevant. So what is the total relevant? 50,000. Total relevant cost is 50,000. Now in negotiating, what should be the minimum per unit divided by number of units? How many units are there as far as we are concerned? It receives this. 1 second. The sales. How many units are we looking at? We are looking at 5,000. Now please try to understand. Please try to understand. This 50,000 has arrived on the basis of how many units? 5,000 units. Please try to understand. That is why it has come 10 per unit. That is why it has come 10 per unit. Please don't make a mistake of dividing 50,000 by 2,000. No. We need to know the rate at which we are going. See, what we want from this question is we want the rate per unit of the relevant cost. Please try to understand this. What do we want? We want rate per unit of the relevant cost. How much is the relevant cost? Sir, it is 50,000. How many units is 50,000 related to? Sir, 5,000 units. So the cost is 10 per unit. Sir, how did you come to know that it is 5,000 units? It is given the sale is for 5,000 units. That is why variable manufacturing cost will also be for 5,000 units only. Sir, how do you know? The question of any inventory does not arise. It is not mentioned over here. Any inventory, opening stock, closing stock is not mentioned over here. That is why I know that it is a cost of 5,000. Why did I divide it by 5,000? See, in this question, the relevant cost. Now see here, please try to understand. The most important question, I'm repeating again. Any student should ask this doubt. Sir, why did you divide this by 5,000 unit? 5,000 का तो कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. One time order तो 2,000 units का है. Please try to understand the statement that I'm going to pass. Please try to understand the statement that I'm going to pass. Here, we are calculating the rate per unit of the relevant cost. What are we calculating? Rate per unit of what? Of. Now please try to understand. Relevant cost is only the cost of variable manufacturing, which is how much? Which is 50,000. Now please try to understand. This 50,000, which is relevant, is incurred for how many units? For 5,000 units. Therefore, per unit, it is 50,000 divided by 5,000, which is equal to 10 per unit. Now, 10 per unit is the relevant cost per unit. What is this? This is the relevant cost per unit multiplied by how many units are we going to make? We are going to make 2,000 units. So, what is the total relevant cost? The total relevant cost that we are looking at is 20,000 units as far as we are concerned. Is how many units? It is 20,000 dollars. Sorry, $20,000. 2,000 units ke piche $20,000. It is dollars 10 per unit. So total relevant cost is how much? $20,000. Please try to understand. क्वेश्चन इज नॉट आस्किंग अस दैट. क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अस पर यूनिट कितना है. अरे पर यूनिट तो तुम्हारा 10 है, हम लोग ने टोटल भी कैलकुलेट करके दे दिया. और ये 10 क्यों है, यहाँ पे 5,000 क्यों किया है, उसका भी जस्टिफिकेशन यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. आई होप एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड्स दिस एंड दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. अग्रीड और डिसएग्रीड? लाइव स्टूडेंट्स, क्लासरूम स्टूडेंट्स बोलो, समझा कि नहीं समझा? 100%? ओके. This puts an end to question number 50. We now jump over to question number 51. Again, a very interesting question. Question number 51. We will mark this question as rather important. Let's pay attention to what question number 51 has to say. Let's pay attention. Important question. So, question number 51. 2 months ago, Hickory Corporation purchased 4,500 pounds of kaolin at a cost of 15,300. The market for this product is very strong, with the price jumping to 4.05 per pound. Hold on. 2 months ago, purchase of kaolin, okay, is equal to dollars 15,300, and we purchased 4,500 pounds. So the cost per pound is 15,300 divided by 4,500. What is the answer? It is dollars 3.4 per pound. Now please try to understand that this was 2 months ago. Therefore 15,300 into bracket dollar 3.4 per pound is nothing but a historical oblique, it is nothing but a sunk cost, and sunk cost is obviously irrelevant. Sunk cost is obviously irrelevant. So the first statement we have read and analyzed it up to here. Because of the demand, Hikori can buy or sell kaolin at this price. At the price of how much? 4.5. Hikori recently received a special order that would require the use of 4,200 pounds of kaolin. Okay. Now please try to understand. Kaolin in hand is how much? 4,500 pounds. Out of this, 4,200 pounds is needed for special order. Okay. In deciding to accept the order, the management must evaluate a number of factors without regard to income taxes. Which one of the following combination of factors depicts relevant and the irrelevant cost? Now, what is relevant and what is irrelevant? Now, the 300 pounds that are unused, the 300 pounds that are unused. See, these pounds are unused. Therefore, they can be sold at the rate of dollars 4.05 per pound. Agreed or disagreed? Therefore, the remaining 300 pounds. Now, please try to understand. One after the other, I am covering them up. What am I saying? Therefore, I am saying the remaining 300 pounds, it is relevant. Why it is relevant? Because it can be an incremental revenue to the firm, because the firm can sell it and make money. Agreed or disagreed? Therefore, in the relevant decision making factor, this point is relevant. Agreed or disagreed? Next, market price of 4.05 per pound. Again, this is relevant. Why it is relevant? Because you can see over here that this is the current price at which it will be traded. So second, I'll write over here, market price of dollars 4.05 per pound is relevant as all current inflows, as all current inflows will depend on the same. Yes or no? Please tell me that. I hope you are able to understand this particular aspect, guys. So, एक तो ये relevant है, but it has been written in the irrelevant section. सो ऑब्वियसली ये पहला वाला स्टेटमेंट गलत है, क्योंकि ये सही है पर ये क्या है, ये गलत है। वो रेलिवेंट होते हुए भी आपने इरेलीवेंट में लिख दिया। आ रही है बात समझ में? यस और नो? अब दूसरी बात, मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ 4.05, अब भी तो प्रूव किया कि वो रेलिवेंट है, तो ये रेलिवेंट है। परचेस प्राइस ऑफ 3.04, 3.40, ये संक कॉस्ट है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये क्या है, ये इरेलीवेंट है। तो ये दोनों करेक्ट है। तो आपका आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, परचेस प्राइस ऑफ दिस, ये तो अभी आपने प्रूव किया कि संक है, तो ये रेलिवेंट में आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा। मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ 4.05, यस ये रेलिवेंट है, बट आपने उसे लिखा कहाँ है? तो ऑब्वियसली ये क्या हो गया? ये गलत हो गया। Next, 4,500 pounds of kaolin. Is it a relevant decision factor? Well, 4,500 pounds of kaolin is relevant. Why it is relevant? It is relevant as full special order depends on the same. Remaining 300 pounds of kaolin, it is again relevant. Why it is relevant? Because you can sell it and get money. You can have an incremental revenue. So, द बैलेंस 300 पाउंड, 300 पाउंड कैसे आया? 4,500 था, 4,200 यूज किया। कैन बी सोल्ड फॉर स्पेशल ऑर्डर, ये स्पेशल ऑर्डर के लिए यूज किया। ये बैलेंस है ना अपने पास? यस और नो? कैन बी यूज, बैलेंस 300,000, कैन 300 पाउंड कैन बी सोल्ड at the rate of dollars 4.05 per pound, and hence it is relevant. Please try to understand this. So what is irrelevant over here? Only irrelevant item over here is the sunk cost. Therefore, your answer is option number B. The answer for this is option number B. Please agree, and you can also watch it when the recording gets to you. So the answer is point number B. So this was your question number 51. Now let's go to question number 52. Question number 52. Yes, this is a good question. I mark this question as a very, very important question actually. I give this question a lot of importance. This is a typical exam problem and expect examination problems to be of this difficulty or more than this. Now, Gardner company is currently using its full capacity of 25,000 machine hours to manufacture the product XR2000. What is the name of the product? XR2000. So at the present moment, please pay attention. XR2000 uses 25,000 machine hour. Agreed or disagreed? Please tell me that. So can I say under the current scenario, XR2000 uses 25,000 machine hours. Agreed or disagreed? Please take a look at XR2000 machine hours per unit is equal to 4. I hope you are able to understand this. Yes or no, please tell me that. Now, this is only for your information and knowledge. I am doing this. That in 25,000 hours, dash 25,000 divided by 4, which is equal to, so 25,000 divided by 4, which is equal to 6250 units of XR2000 are produced. Now, under the current scenario, how many units? 6250 units of this particular product are produced. This becomes a very, very important information. This becomes a very, very important information. Why? Let us see going ahead. LJB Corporation has placed an order with Gardner, that is this company, for the manufacture of 1000 units of KT 6500. Currently the full capacity is used for XR2000. Please try to understand. See, what is the problem that you are facing? Currently full capacity is used for XR2000 and you have received a special order for KT 6500. Please try to understand this. LJB would have normally manufactured this component, but due to a fire in its plant, LJB needs to purchase these units to continue to manufacturing other products. This is a one-time special order. The following reflects the unit cost data and the various selling prices. KT 6500 has got the following relevant costs: direct material relevant, direct labor relevant, variable overhead relevant, fixed overhead not relevant, variable selling and distribution overheads will be considered to be relevant because nothing has been said about selling and distribution overheads. That is why I shall be taking them. Next, how can you make KT 6500? Now, obviously, to make KT 6500, you need 3 hours per unit. I hope you understand this. You need how much? 3 hours per unit. Therefore, what is the special order? The special order is for 1000 units. I hope you understand this. Yes or no, please tell me. That is for how many units? 1000 units. 1000 units at the rate of 3 hours per unit. Therefore, therefore, time needed for KT 6500. Look at the next statement, which will be sacrificed by XR2000 is equal to how many hours? Please understand this logic very carefully. Live students, all look towards me. Your full capacity is going to make which product? XR 2000. Are you making anything else? Do you have time for anything else? Now they are saying make a special order of what? Of KT 6500. चलो बना लिया. वो स्पेशल ऑर्डर बनाने के लिए, एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम चाहिए? 3 घंटा. ऐसा आप कितना यूनिट बना रहे हो? एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए 3 घंटा चाहिए. ऐसा आप 1000 यूनिट बना रहे हो, मतलब आपको 3000 घंटा चाहिए. अरे ये 3000 घंटे किसकी थाली से चुरा के लाओगे? XR 2000 के घर से चुरा के लाओगे? मतलब XR 2000 के 3000 घंटे की बैंड बजा दी. XR 2000 के 3000 आवर्स गए. दोस्तों, this means 3000 hours are reduced from manufacture of XR 2000. Yes or no? In 3000 hours, अभी XR 2000 hours यूनिट, एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना घंटा चाहिए? इसको 4. देयरफॉर 3000 घंटे में कितने यूनिट बनेंगे? देयरफॉर 3000 आवर्स, 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स? 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. सर 750 यूनिट्स. क्या हो गया? देयरफॉर 750 यूनिट्स of XR 2000 will be sacrificed to make what? Special order. To make what? Special order will be what? Sacrifice. Sir, this will be an opportunity cost, and opportunity cost will be equal to contribution lost. Will be what? Will be the contribution lost. Come on everybody, yes or no, please tell me that. Now what is the selling price of XR 2000? Sir, selling price of XR 2000, I can see over here normal selling price. Sir, I can see over here. What I can see normal selling price? 105. Agreed or disagreed? Sir, 105. Sir, minus variable cost. क्या क्या आएगा इसका? डायरेक्ट मटेरियल प्लस डायरेक्ट मटेरियल 24 प्लस डायरेक्ट लेबर 10 प्लस वेरिएबल ओवरहेड कितना है? 5 प्लस वेरिएबल सेलिंग कितना है भैया? वेरिएबल सेलिंग, इसका वेरिएबल सेलिंग एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कितना है? 4. ले लो भाई. व्हाट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन? कम ऑन. 24 प्लस 10 प्लस 5 प्लस 4 34 प्लस 5 39 प्लस 4 43. 105 minus 43. What is the answer? 62. So what is the contribution per unit? Sir, it is 62. ऐसे कितने यूनिट्स आपने सैक्रिफाइस किए? सर 750 यूनिट सैक्रिफाइस करने पड़ेंगे. मतलब 750 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 62. सर 46,500 is the contribution, is the contribution of XR 2000 which is lost. अभी ये 46,500 will be recovered from what? Sir, it will be recovered from special order of KT 6500 into bracket. How many units? Manufacture of 1000 units. I hope you all are able to understand. Yes or no? Please tell me that. Therefore, opportunity cost to be recovered per unit is equal to 46,000 contribution lost divided by 1000, which is how much? Which is 46.5. Agreed or disagreed? Now, what are the relevant cost of KT 6500 because of this? Sir, relevant cost are as follows. Direct material 27, direct labor 12. Sir, variable overhead 6. Sir, next variable selling and admin. How much? Variable selling and admin iska 5. Sir, next opportunity cost. How much? Sir, 46.5. Take the total of all, please. Take the total of all. What is the answer? 96.50. 27 plus 12 plus 6 plus 5 plus 46.5. What is the answer? 96.5. I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. The most important calculation was this. So always remember, when you are sacrificing a particular unit for a special order, uska total contribution lost is a relevant cost for you. So remember, I'm writing this down. This is a very important statement. Ki when you are sacrificing any unit or product for a special order, for a what? For a special order, the contribution lost oblique sacrificed is an opportunity cost which is relevant for special order. So here contribution lost, इधर लिखना total contribution lost divided by units of special order is equal to opportunity cost per unit, and this opportunity cost per unit will be added to other relevant costs, to other relevant costs of the special order. Please try to understand this right here becomes your concept note. Even if this much concept is taught to a student, he, she, they can solve the MCQs. Please try to understand. This is a very important concept note. It has to be there in everybody's notebook, even if your exam is 5 days away. Why it has to be there? It teaches you the whole concept if you read it. अपने बच्चे, now I will be selfish with my students. एपेक्स के बच्चों का एग्जाम कब है? अक्टूबर एंड में है. तो भाई अपने लिए तो अच्छी बात है ना. अपने लिए तो अच्छी बात है. अपन अक्टूबर एंड में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, अपना सितंबर एंड तक मल्टीपल एमसीक्यूज और मल्टीपल अपना ये क्या बोलते हैं ईएसपी के रिविजन्स अपना हो जाएगा. सो वी आर रेडी टू फेस द एग्जाम. प्लस वी हैव अवर कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स. अपने को क्या टेंशन है? Right? So we are in a strong position, and our answer for this, I believe, was 96.5. Right? Now, let's go to the next question. Next question again is, I don't rate it to be ultra important. It's a good question, but not as ultra important as this one, because this was a really important and a good question. Let's pay attention to question number 53. Question number 53 speaks about Green Corporation, who is building custom design jewelry. What are they doing? Oh, sorry, custom design machinery. Question 53. Let's pay attention. Green Corporation builds custom design machinery. A review of the company's pricing policy reveals a 10% commission is paid on all the orders. Variable and fixed factory overheads total 40% and 20% respectively of the direct labor. Corporate administrative cost amount to 10% of direct labor. When you are bidding for the job, Green adds a 25% markup to all the factory and administrative costs to cover the income taxes and to produce a profit. The firm's income tax rate is 40%. The company expects to operate at 80% of its practical capacity. Green recently received an invitation to bid for the manufacture of some custom machinery for Keenan-Dale. For this product, Green's production accountant estimates that the material and labor cost will be 66 and 1,20,000. Okay. So, for special order, Green will incur, what they will incur? सबसे पहले direct material. How much is the direct material? Direct material will be 66,000. Next, they will incur direct labor. How much? 1,20,000. Okay. Accordingly, Green submitted a bid to Keenan-Dale with an amount of 3,75,000. But Green's bid was too high. Keenan-Dale said the price should be 2,80,000. अभी इनको ये selling price रखना है. ये selling price नहीं चलेगा. Which one of the following options should be recommended to Green's management? Accept the counter offer, reject the counter offer on certain basis. Okay. सबसे पहले I am interested in the relevant costs. Direct material, direct labor relevant. Second, guys, variable overheads are relevant, which are 40% of direct labor. How did I get this? 1,20,000 multiplied by 40%. Agreed or disagreed? Sir, next point. Sir, variable admin is also relevant. Sir, admin is a variable cost because it is expressed as a percentage of direct labor. Please remember over here, admin is a variable cost here as it is expressed as a percentage of direct labor. Hence, if direct labor will change, comma, admin will also change. You need to remember this. So any cost that changes is what? Is a variable cost. Therefore, variable admin, which is 10% of direct labor, which is 12,000, is again a relevant cost. I hope you are able to understand this. Now, if we are to take a total of this, what we will get is total relevant cost. Let's take a total 66 plus 120 plus 48 plus 12. So this is 188. 188 plus 48 plus 12. The answer is, in my opinion, 2 lakh and how much? 2 lakh and 46,000. 2 lakh and 46,000. This is the total relevant cost. Now please try to understand. Please try to understand. Selling price offered by Keenan-Dale, who is your buyer, is equal to 2,80,000. So can I say that incremental revenue is equal to 2,80,000? And can I say that incremental cost is equal to 2,46,000? Therefore, operating income will increase by how much? 280 minus 246. It will increase by how much? 34,000. Yes or no? Please tell me. Accept the order because the order will increase the operating income. Yes. By how much? By 34,000. Accept the counter offer even though the order will decrease the operating income. No. Reject the counter offer. No. Reject the counter offer. No. Accept the counter offer because your operating income is going to increase. Yes or no? Please tell me that. Yes, I understand. 3,75,000 किसे नहीं चाहिए? 375 मिलता तो सोने पे सुहागा, जबरदस्त हो जाता है। इंक्रीमेंटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 246 के सामने 375 का रेवेन्यू खड़ा रहता। लेकिन सामने वाला बायर भी तो, दे कैन बार्गेन नो विथ यू, दे कैन डू सम काइंड ऑफ डिबेट विथ यू। नाउ व्हाट डिबेट दे हैव डन? दे हैव सेड दैट नो, वी विल नॉट गिव यू 375, दैट्स टू हाई, we'll give you 280. Your call now. Even if I say 280, my cost is to 246. I'm not making a loss by taking it in 280. So I can accept this counter proposal because my operating income is certainly increasing on this regard. Yes or no? Please tell me that. I hope you're able to understand this particular aspect. I hope you're able to understand this particular aspect. I hope you're understanding. So what is your answer? Your answer over here is option number A. Increase this. It is the right option. Right, guys? So this was which one? This was your question number 53. Again, it was not as challenging as 52. 52 was a great question because you have to understand that all the amount of time is going to XR 2000. उसके दिए हुए टाइम में से आप sacrifice करके निकाल रहे हो. So there is a reason why these many times those many wordings were written, why we did such a deep working note. All of this is very essential for you to go back and understand your concepts. So this is a very good question, and of course 52 done, 53 done. Now I believe we are looking at question number 54. Wow, question number 54. Now let's take a look at question number 54. Synergy Incorporative produces a component, and this component is popular in many refrigeration systems. Data on 3 of the 5 different models of such components are given below. So this model A, model B, model C. Units are given. Manufacturing costs are given. Now what are they saying? Synergy, that is the company, applies variable overheads on the basis of machine hours at the rate of 2.5 per hour. Now, before anything, I want a concept to be addressed over here. I am giving you, I am interested in the concept note. What is the machine hour rate? 2.5 per hour. Now, please try to understand. Please try to understand. In this question number 54, first I am going for a concept. The concept is machine hour rate. Now, please try to understand. Variable overheads are dependent on machine hours. Now, please try to understand. I have three products A, B, and C. The variable overheads of A are 5, of B are 10, and of C are 15. Now, total variable overheads, these variable overheads is equal to hours per unit multiplied by rate per hour. Think about this statement very logically. What is the variable overhead of A? Variable overhead of A is कितना hours लगा आपको A में. So what is the variable overhead of A, sir? Variable overhead is 5. How many hours do you need? I don't know how many hours I need, but I know the rate per hour, and the rate per hour is 2.5 per hour. Therefore, can I say that A needs 2 hours per unit is needed for A? Agreed or disagreed? So if I divide this by rate per hour, what is the rate per hour? 2.5. Therefore, can I say machine hours needed for the first one are 2, for the second one are 4, and this is 15 divided by 2.5. So 25, 6 are 150. So it is 6. That's how I calculated it. Now here, what did I calculate? Sir, I first of all calculated the machine hours that are needed, boss. Sir, why? As an extra concept, so that you should know how to calculate this. बिकॉज दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टिल हियर. अभी तक तो क्वेश्चन यहाँ लाल डॉट तक ही पड़ा, पूरा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पड़ा. अब मॉडल्स ए एंड बी आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन द फ्रीजर डिपार्टमेंट, and this freezer department has a capacity of only 28,000 machine processing hours. Bapre. Now arises the challenge. Next challenge, please see. B, C. Hours per unit. What are the hours needed for B? The hours needed for B are 4 and for C are 6. 4 and 6. How many units are made of B? Sir, I can see over here 6,000 and C is 3,000. So 6 and 3. So over here 6 and over here 3. So 6 fours are 24,000 and over here 3 6 are 18,000. What is this? This is एक यूनिट को कितना घंटा, टोटल इतने यूनिट्स. सो आवर्स नीडेड टोटल. व्हाट इज दिस? आवर्स नीडेड टोटल. एंड व्हाट इज योर आंसर फॉर दैट? 42,000. But what are the hours available? Sir, the hours that are available are 28,000. Therefore, hours in freezer department are a obviously limiting factor. Are obviously a limiting factor. Please try to understand this concept. What are they? They are a limiting factor. Now, which one of the following options should be recommended to the synergy management? Which should be recommended to the synergy department? Sir, this question is so beautiful. Sir, this question is so important. Sir, how are you going to calculate? Tell me one thing, sir. Sir, how will you calculate contribution per machine hour when you don't have selling price? When you don't have selling price. कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए तो सेलिंग प्राइस चाहिए. सेलिंग प्राइस कहां है? कहां है सेलिंग प्राइस? घंटा कंट्रीब्यूशन निकालोगे? सर ऐसा मत बोलो, घंटा वंटा नहीं. अभी एक क्वेश्चन का घंटा बजाएंगे सर. अब यहां पे देखो क्या करेंगे. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीबडी. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. टू कैलकुलेट contribution, we need selling price, full stop. But we don't have that. Any doubts? But we don't have selling price. बात क्लियर हो गई. We don't have selling price. But sir, we have we can calculate savings. Sir, आइला savings कैसे? Please pay attention very carefully. Very important, most interesting. I want you all to pay attention to the statement I'm saying. Sir A, Sir B, and Sir C. But sir, the choice has to be made between A and B. So C is not needed. So C is not needed. Agreed or disagreed? Sir, so I need A and I need B. Sir, what is the variable manufacturing cost per unit of A? Sir, for A, it is 10 per unit and it is 5 per unit. Agreed or disagreed? Yes or no, please tell me that. Sir, so it is 10 plus 5. Sir, it is 15. What do you say about B? Sir, it is 24 plus 10. Sir, it is what? 34. Okay. Therefore, can I say over here? Cost to make. Sir, it is 15 and it is 34. Agreed or disagreed? Now over here is cost to buy. Sir, suddenly this question, which was of a limiting factor, has become a question of make or buy. By use of limiting factor. By use of limiting factor. Matlab, sir, this is an advanced level problem. We mark this a very important problem. Now, please pay attention. What is the cost to buy A? Sir, 21 rupees में A आएगा. कितने में आएगा? सर 21 रुपीज में ए आएगा. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, सेविंग इफ वी मेक ए, saving if we make A is how much? 6. What about this? 42. Sir, saving if we make B is how much? 8. Now, machine hour per unit. दोस्तों, machine hour per unit ए का कितना है? मशीन आवर पर यूनिट दिया है. हाँ सर, दिया है. हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ा था और हमने यहां पे कैलकुलेट किया है. ए को मशीन में 2 घंटे लगते और बी को 4 लगते. बट सर, ओवरऑल ऐसा डायरेक्टली दिया नहीं है. रिमेंबर, इसमें मशीन आवर पर यूनिट भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ा था. वो कितना है? 2 और 4. वो कितना है? 2 और 4. दोस्तों, ए को बनाने से 6 रुपए की सेविंग होती है. ए को 1 यूनिट को बनाने को 2 घंटे लगते हैं. देयरफॉर कैन आई से सेविंग पर मशीन आवर. ये क्रेजी है. अभी तक तुम लोग कंट्रीब्यूशन पर मशीन आवर निकाल रहे थे ना. अब मेरे को सेलिंग प्राइस नहीं चाहिए. मैं सेलिंग प्राइस के बिना क्या निकाल लिया? सेविंग पर मशीन आवर. सर, यहाँ पे इट इज 3 एंड यहाँ पे इट इज 2. सर, ज्यादा सेविंग कौन दे रहा है? सर, ज्यादा सेविंग ए दे रहा है. ऑब्वियसली, सिंस ए प्रोवाइड्स a higher level or amount of savings per hour, comma, it is given a higher rank. It is given a higher rank. यहाँ पे immediately लिख लिया मैंने rank 1 or rank 2. Agreed or disagreed? Please tell me that. Agreed or disagreed? Sir, now obviously I have given a preference to what? A. Now please look. A is given a preference. So obviously production in units of A has to be greater than production in units of B. Yes or no? Please tell me that. Logic. Yes or no? Sir, next. What are the options? Purchase all 3 departments, apps, all 3 products required. No. Why will I purchase all? They are costlier. मैं क्या महंगा चीज खरीद के लोगे? पागल है क्या? Sir, manufacture all 3 products in the quantities required. No. I have limiting factor. Limiting factor मेरा बाप देखेगा फिर. Limiting factor का क्या? A wrong, B wrong. Sir, freezer department's plan should include 5,000 of A. Please look here carefully. 5,000 of A and 4,500 of B. क्या बोल रहा है ये बोल रहा है A के कितने चाहिए? 5,000 और B के कितने चाहिए? 4,500. सर, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. सर यस, ये आंसर एक्सेप्टेबल है। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ए मैं ज्यादा कर रहा हूं प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बी से। समझो इस बात को। सर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी को देखो। फ्रीजर डिपार्टमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लान शुड इंक्लूड 2000 ऑफ मॉडल ए एंड 6000 ऑफ मॉडल बी। क्या बोलता है? 2000 ऑफ मॉडल ए एंड 6000 ऑफ मॉडल बी। होल्ड ऑन। अब ये क्या बोल रहा है? ये बोल रहा है 2000 ऑफ मॉडल ए एंड 6000 ऑफ मॉडल बी। ये तो कभी भी नहीं चलेगा, ये मुझे चलेगा ही नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि बी सेविंग इज लेस देन ए सेविंग, सो ए हैज टू बी गिवन प्रेफरेंस। सो इन दिस सम what will I do? I will make a more than I will make b, therefore I will go for option number c. Therefore, I will go for option number C. In my opinion, so far, this has to be either the best or the second best question. With the best one being, of course, the exception of that one that we did, contribution 52. So 52, जबरदस्त सम। 52 मानते हैं जबरदस्त है सर। 52 की तरह ही 54 भी जबरदस्त है। अभी आपके ऊपर है, आपको क्या बोलना है, विच इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, मोर डिफिकल्ट। मैं तो बोलता हूँ दोनों इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, इक्वली डिफिकल्ट हो सकते हैं। डिफिकल्ट तो है नहीं, हम लोग ने उसका रास्ता निकाल लिया, बट इंपॉर्टेंट 100%। दोनों क्वेश्चंस हमारे लिए इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है और ऑफ कोर्स होंगे भी। देयर इज अ मैसेज, व्हाट इज द मैसेज? सी। फराज इज सेइंग सी। चलो फराज, वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर। नाउ आई गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 55। अब साला 55 भी इनकी तरह ही है। 55 is also trying to be, an important question, but I would say not as important as 54. 55 is important, yes, but 54 के आगे मैं उसको रैंकिंग नहीं दूंगा। रेफ्रिजरेटर कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चर्स द आइस मेकर्स फॉर इंस्टॉलेशन इन सर्टन रेफ्रिजरेटर्स। The cost per unit for 20,000 units of ice makers is given as follows: direct material, direct labor, variable overhead, fixed overhead. Okay. Cool Compartment has offered to sell the 20,000 ice makers to refrigerator company for 28 per unit. Hold on. Please pay attention. Make versus buy. If I buy, I will buy at the rate of 28 per unit. So friends, make में मेरा relevant cost क्या है? Sir, direct material 7. Sir, direct labor 12. Sir, variable overhead 5. Sir, fixed देखते हैं। If refrigerator accepts the cool compartment offer, the facilities used to manufacture the ice cream will be used to produce water filtration units. Now, अगर तुम buy करते हो, what will happen? Spare capacity will be used. Spare capacity will be used. और ये spare capacity में क्या करोगे? You will do, will be used for what? Will be used for water filtration. Will be used for what? Water filtration. Any doubts? Sir, no doubt. Spare capacity will be used for water filtration. In the water filtration, what will happen? In the water filtration, the revenue will be 80,000. What is the revenue? And the variable cost will be 60%, matlab 48,000. So can I say that the contribution will be 32,000? Yes or no? This contribution this contribution will be lost if we make, and this contribution will be earned only if we buy, because if we buy we will get a spare capacity, and in that spare capacity we will earn this money. But now look at the next statement that they are making. In addition, 6 per unit of fixed overhead will be eliminated. Out of this fixed, 6 is what? Avoidable. Therefore, can I say fix is relevant? And what about 4? Sir, 4 is unavoidable. Therefore, what is this? Therefore, it is irrelevant. I hope you are able to understand. Yes or no, please tell me. So, what will I write over here? In my relevant costs over here, I will write over here fixed. In fixed, out of 10, rather, I will not write this over here. I will say 6. Na? So we'll directly write down 6 over here. And I'll write over here unavoidable. What will I write over here? unavoidable. So what is my total? What is my total over here, please? So my Oh, sorry, avoidable. I'm so sorry. It is avoidable. So that is why it is relevant. It is avoidable. That is why it is relevant. I made a mistake. I am sorry. It is avoidable. Now, what is the total? 19 plus 5, 24 plus 6, 30. So what is it cost per unit if you are going to make? It is 30 per unit to make. It is how much? It is 30 per unit to make. Agreed or disagreed? Now, my dear friends, please try to understand my statement. Please look here. Sir, if I make, it is 30 per unit. What is my requirement? 20,000. Decision kitne pe hai? Multiplied by 20,000. Please pay attention. So if I make, what is my cost? 6 lakhs. Yes or no? Sir, we have done this question earlier also. Same figures. Buy में. But sir, इसमें twist है. 28 per unit is the buying price. For how many units? 5 lakh. But if you buy, you have got an incremental revenue of what? Of water filtration. And how much is that? Sir, that is 32,000. That will reduce your buying cost. And it will bring your buying cost to how much? 5 lakh and 28,000. Sir, please remember, if you ignore, if you ignore the water filtration revenue, your buy cost will be equal to 5,60,000 net. Will be equal to what? 5,60,000 net. This is wrong. Why is this wrong? Because if you buy, तुम्हारा आउटफ्लो हो रहा है, you are getting an outflow of how much? 560. But you are also getting an inflow of net 32,000. Sir, 32,000 from where? 32,000 from here. You will have a revenue of 80, cost of 60%, a cost of 60%. So contribution this much. So obviously, what is your net outflow? Your net outflow is 5 lakhs and 28,000. That is why you will make a mistake. So what is the make versus buy decision in originality? Sir, it is 6 lakh of make versus 5 lakh 28,000 of buy, not 5 lakh 60. If you write 5 lakh 60, you are ignoring the water filtration revenue, which is important in the question. Sir, 6 lakhs versus 560 is wrong. 648 versus 528 is wrong. Sir, 6 versus 528 is correct. And 680 versus 440 is wrong. So what is your answer? Sir, my answer over here is option number C. My answer over here is option C. What is my answer? My answer here becomes option number C. I hope you're able to understand. Yes or no? Please tell me that. Important questions. Important questions. I would mark this one as an important question, not as important as I would say, uh, as I just said, as 54. But then again, 52, 54, 55. Important. You note it down. Your exams are in October. You note it down. 52, 54, 55. ये तुम्हारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, एग्जाम सपोर्ट पैकेज ऑफ आईएमए। और ईएसपी का क्वेश्चन है तो इंपॉर्टेंट ही है, क्योंकि इंस्टीट्यूट ने बोला है। क्योंकि किसने बोला है? इंस्टीट्यूट ने बोला है। सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट. Don't take a chance with it. Don't take a chance with it. Next. Question number 56. Next, question number 56. Sunshine Corporation. Now, please see here. What is Sunshine Corporation thinking? Sunshine Corporation, question number 56. I don't remember whether it is as important as 52, 55, 54. But certainly, we will give it respect. ऐसा नहीं है. उसको तवज्जो भर देंगे. There is no doubt about it. 56. Sunshine is considering the purchase of a new machine for 8 lakhs. The machine is capable of, oh, this is important. The machine is capable of producing 1.6 million units over its useful life. The manufacturer's engineering specifications state that the machine related cost of producing each unit of the product should be $0.50 शुड बी 0.50. इधर खाली 0.50 लिखा है. अगर आप नोटिस करो, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर एबल टू सी, बट see over here, it is 0.50. It is 0.50. I want you to understand it is how much? It is 0.50. That is why I made it large. Now I'll go back and make it small. Now going ahead. Sunshine's total anticipated demand for the asset's life is 1.2 million units. 1 second. There is a machine in the market. This machine says I have the capacity to make 1.6 million units. Well and good. What is your requirement from that machine? 1.2. So will your calculations be based on 1.6 or will they be based on 1.2? It will be based on 1.2 because it is your usage. See, please try to understand. Please try to understand. The machine may have a capacity of 1.6 million units, which is okay. But company wants to make only 1.2 million units. Agreed or disagreed? Hence, all calculations of this machine will be based on 1.2 million units and not 1.6 million units. I hope everybody understands this. Yes or no? So, if I say that the cost is 8 lakhs and I divide this by 1.6 million means 16 lakh units. If I divide this by 16 lakh units, the cost comes 0.50 per unit. How much the cost comes? 0.50 per unit. This is useless. This is useless. Why? Because I've taken 16 lakh units. Rather, what is useful? What is useful will be dollars 8 lakhs, which is the cost of the machine, divided by 1.2 million, which will be how much? 8 lakhs divided by 12 lakhs. What is the answer? $0.67 per unit. This is relevant. Please try to understand. What is this? This is relevant. Now going ahead. The average cost of material and labor for each unit is 0.4. In considering whether to buy the new machine, would you recommend that Sunshine use the manufacturer's engineering specification of machine related production cost? No. If they use the engineer specification, their calculation has to be based on 1.6 million units. Please pay attention. If you use the engineer's specification, your cost calculation is based on 1.6 million into bracket 0.5 per unit, but it should be based on 1.2 million into bracket 0.67 per unit. Therefore, your answer is 0.67 and not 0.50. You will reject this. You will reject this. You will reject this. सब भंगार है. सर 90 कैसे आया? अरे 90 कैसे आया मालूम है? येड़ा है वो 0.50 पहले ऊपर का लिया और उसमें उसने मटेरियल और लेबर घुसा दिया. ऐसा करके उसने वो 0.90 लाया. ओ वाह सर, वो दरिया में कूद रहा है. क्या मैं भी मेरा चड्डी खोल के दरिया में कूद जाऊं? पागल है क्या? मैं जो वो कुछ भी करेगा. पागल है. कल को मोदी जी का मास्क पहन के घूमेगा, मैं मोदी हूं, मैं मोदी हूं. तो क्या वो मोदी बन जाएगा क्या? अपना लॉजिक चलाओ. 1.6 मिलियन यूनिट मशीन पे लिखा है. 1.6 मिलियन यूनिट. मुझे तो 1.2 ही बनाना है ना। तू 1.6 बना है, 10.6 बना, मेरे को क्या है, मेरे को 1.2 बनाना है। तो जो भी ये मशीन का खर्चा है, जो भी कॉस्ट है, वो रिकवर कितने यूनिट्स पे होने वाला है, बस। अपने काम से काम। तो पर सर वहां पे लिखा था। अरे लिखा था तो क्या है, तो क्या सीरियसली लेगा तू उसको? इट डजंट मेक सेंस। प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, right? So please focus on this particular aspect. What is the answer? The answer is option number B, right? So question number 56. Again, I would say not difficult, but I would say tricky. I would say a tricky question, a good question, a tricky question, and a good question. Now, what was that? That was 56. Let us go to question number 57. Let us go to now question number 57. Chalo, 57. Again, seems to be a numerical question. Chalo, let us see question number 57. Pay attention. Aril Industries is a multi-product company that currently manufactures 30,000 units of part 730 each month for use in production. 30,000 units of this for each month for use in production. The facilities now being used to make this part 730 have a fixed monthly overhead cost of 1,50,000. Okay. So what is your fixed overhead cost? It is 1,50,000. And this fixed overhead cost is incurred when you do what? When you manufacture part 730, तब जाके ये fixed आता है। And a theoretical capacity is there to produce 60,000 units per month. ठीक है, तुम्हारा total capacity 60,000 है, तुम बनाते कितना हो बेटा? 30. Okay. If Aril Industries is to buy 730 from an outside supplier, these facilities will be idle and 40% of the fixed cost will continue to be incurred. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is out of this 40,000 is unavoidable. Means how much? Therefore, balance 60,000 is what? Avoidable is how much? And whatever is avoidable is what? It is relevant. Please try to understand. There are no alternative use for these facilities. मतलब और कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते, इनकम नहीं आएगा. The variable production cost per part of part number 730 is $11 per unit. How much it is per unit? Sir, it is $11. Now please hold on. Please hold on. See here. How many units are you currently manufacturing? Now please understand. Relevant cost, please look at the screen, per unit calculation. First one, avoidable fixed cost, but the wording is important is per unit. Sir, why it is important? Now please look here. What is your avoidable fixed cost? Beta, it is $90,000. Sir, will I write over here 30,000 units? Yes. Why? Because I am making those many units. I am making those many units. Please try to understand. Here, since we are making 30,000 units, we allocate the avoidable fixed cost over 30,000 units, over 30,000 units. 60,000 is a capacity. 60,000 is a capacity, and we are not making it, and we are not making it. So here, since we are making 30,000, we allocate the avoidable fixed cost over how many units? Over the 30,000 units. So in this case, your avoidable fixed cost is dollars 3 per unit. I hope there is no doubt. I hope there is no doubt. And the second is variable manufacturing cost, which is dollars 11 per unit. So the total will be dollars 14 per unit. and that is why your answer is option number D. And that is why your answer is option number D. I hope you are able to understand. I hope you are able to understand and that there are no problems in understanding this particular question. So we have finished